In this video, we're gonna take a look at TRADOVATE and NinjaTrader to see which broker is better. Now, I have a list with the pros and cons for each one of them. So we're gonna start with TRADOVATE. So as you can see, they have low commissions, nano contracts as low as 20 cents per side, commission drop with subscription lifetime plan, multi-device. So basically it supports web, desktop and mobile, including macOS support via web. Now the cons: platform instability, so frequent outages, glitches and order issue reported, limited automation, backtesting. Then we have NinjaTrader, which is best for advanced customizable trading on desktop. So they offer a robust desktop app, comprehensive charting, automation, backtesting, ATM features. Then they have flexible licensing, so free version or subscription or one time, free demo and C# scripting. Now the cons: Windows only, so no native macOS support, mobile web limited, and platform cost, so advanced features require paid license, some UI feels outdated. So these are the pros and cons for each one of them. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.